Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to add a variable product on your Shopify store. Here you can go and type admin.shopify.com, then you will be able to log in. On the left side, this one is the dashboard menu. Click here, products. On this page you can find out all of the products here. After that you can click on add new product. Then here you can give a name, then give the description, for example t-shirt. Then you can give a description. You can add the images, videos, and you can easily use different typography options. Scroll down. On the right side here you can add the collections, then you can add the product tabs, then you can add the product images. Now scroll down. So here you can see you can add the price, then scroll down. Here you can manage the inventory. Now this one, variants. Click here. Then you can add different variations. For example, let me select this one, color option. Here you can add the color black, then brown, then let me select the third color, this one, blue. After that click here, done. Then scroll down. Here you can add the custom images for different variations. You can also add the custom prices, for example 100, 200, then 300. After that scroll down. So these are the meta fields. Then scroll up. So make sure that product status should be active. Now scroll down. After that click on this button, save button, so that your product should be published. In this way you can easily add the variable products on your Shopify store.